Morning. Getting ready to start bringing in probably 2,000 tons of rock and build this roadway a little bit so we can gain access to back there. Got Steve taking down some silt fence, and then we're gonna put a temporary road in. Temporary road, painted out. We're gonna rock all this. Got a little drainage ditch for any rain in the future, except for that big stop at the end. I got a guy with a shovel. Be our stockpile area. We'll reload it up in tandem to take back all the way back there in the old corner, way back there. Putting rock down for the road base, but also using it as a temporary entrance, even though it's going to be there forever. But it's all 2-inch. Way the shit doesn't get out on the road. And then we got this area cut out. Trucks make the turn. And then Shane leveled this backyards out so that way we can put in this 12-foot wide, 600 foot long temporary drive. And in the back we're gonna rock about an acre for a laydown area so they can build these 29 homes, individual pieces. I got like a whopping 15 hours in it. Not sure what to do with it now. Yeah, made some progress. Shane made it all the way down the end of that temp road. Now we gotta fill in the acre and a half. Yeah, I think so. So, good progress. All the way back to the very far. See you tomorrow.